Okay, so what we get... What Cut. Don't watch me.
So today we're going to try to put on the furring strips for the sides so we can install our walls. We've had to try and make sure we got the right screws, so let's give it a shot.
One down.
What Tara is doing here, she's marking out all the holes right there so we can make sure that we screw in between them so we don't just screw into a hole or part of a hole or anything like that. And we've used this technique before and it seems to work pretty well.
have our plywood cut. We are just measuring out where the frame strips are and where the screws are so we don't screw into the other screws. So we're just taking the measurement from here and transferring it onto this, and then we'll screw. Starting from that, yeah, 4 and then an 8. 15 and a quarter. 33 and a half. Okay, so what we did is we just used a 1/4 inch plywood. This is just gonna be the backing of it. We're gonna put another piece of beadboard over top once everything else is built. So this is just used so that we can screw the rest of the cabinets and the benches and stuff into that. So this is not the final piece.
Alright, so we just wanted to make this quick video to show you what we did with the window framing, because if you're like us, we kind of struggled at this point, and we didn't really find too many videos out there explaining what to do. So if you look here, we built this little window frame out of, I think it was like some 1/2 inch plywood, so that we could put the window in, but then now we need to build the frame around it. So this is our second one, and we'll show you what to do. This is the finished product over here, what it looks like. We still have to cut around here to make it look nice, but that's what we're going to be doing, short and easy, and we'll show you the entire process. Alright, so earlier Tara got some furring strips.
1x3s.
The 1x3s that we use for the frame of our entire van, basically. And she basically just cut it down to size, did the measurements, which will be different for the windows. And then now she primed them, and now I'm going to pre-drill some holes to make it easier when we screw it into that piece of plywood frame that we have. Alright, real simple. Now that we have the pieces cut and pre-drilled, we just screw it in.
Here's the final product. Not very even, but it doesn't matter because it's going to get covered. This gives it a nice frame. Then we can put the walls up on top of it.
Alright, we'll show you what the end product looks like later. Okay, now that we have all of our plywood pieces cut and got the holes where we think we want them, we are going to tape up the insulation and then put the walls up. So
Let's do it.
We'll do that, and then next step.
Felt like a million years.